What going on? What going on? What it do? It's your girl LaQuanda coming back with y'all with a food review again. And what they put, they said unboxing and review. And this is not a paid review. This is just a friendly review. So we finna ready to go and get into it. We got a bunch of candy. Crunch a bunch of candy. So let's go on here to unbox this local joker. Okay, we got a little letter. Crunch a bunch of candy. LaQuanda, coming to LaQuanda Thomas, baby. Appreciate you for all the love. Thanks for shopping with us. Tag us in the review. Alright, I'll do that. I'll take out in the review. I ain't gonna be shady. I ain't gonna be nasty. I ain't gonna be nasty. Y'all sent me these free products, so guess what? I go on here to ship y'all. I go on here to tag y'all in it. So we gonna go on here and try. They gave me 6 different kinds. 6, yeah. I'm called a watermelon. I gotta rewind it, bitch.
You gotta bite that.
God damn. That watermelon just melted in your mouth. God.
I ain't even say nothing.
I didn't say nothing with that goddamn man. God damn. Want some more?
I got to taste it, shit. There we go.
That bitch dissolve in your mouth before you can taste it. God damn, that bitch hit like, whoa. I can imagine what you could do. Put that down on that little good thing. Man, that thing disappear. Okay, I'm gonna try the lemon heads. The lemon crush. Okay. The watermelon hit, dang. Watermelon gotta look like a little taste to it. I guess you gotta go and cut them more. Damn. See, I'm getting a couple of them. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. These lemon heads.
Yeah.
Hey, lemon head, boy.
I see me sitting in class just like this.
These are nerds.
Nobody look exotic.
Ooh, these been here to exotic. I we been go ahead and burst these nerds, so. God damn. No, lemon head. Lemon head, I got that gas. Hold on. Ooh, the smell of these bitches. Yeah.
Hold on now. Oh. That's your gas right one.
Oh, whoa. These bitches here is nice. These nerds. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm here.
God damn. Oh, baby. Let's get it. Baby, we got the popcorn too. I'm scared of these bitches here. I always been scared of these. They look like little legs. Hold on. Ooh.
But Thunder came with them.
Trying to tell you. Ooh, ooh. They got a nice little hit to him.
Oh,
God damn.
these things is disappearing.
Hey, give me that. So you make it disappear if I come over and get on your ass. Oh, man.
Like I'm space pan in it.
I'm talking about look. Lord have mercy. I like these too. I get these a 7.7. Let me see. They said popcorn. Let me see what they talking about that popcorn now. Let me see about the popcorn. Ooh, they smell like popcorn too. Too. What the hell?
Come on now, I ain't even feel the burst of flavor coming out when I was just biting it now.
Don't.
Oh, they got to be cornmeal or something. Cornmeal.
They good. They taste like popcorn too. They taste like popcorn.
They gonna definitely do.
Ooh, that popcorn. I don't know. That popcorn, I don't know. It tastes like popcorn though. It might be, some people might like it, but
Need some drink after them.
we might need some drink out of them popcorn. I ain't gonna cap. And that popcorn, it leave an aftertaste like a mud.
Boy, I don't think nothing but cornmeal.
I think it's more though. Who I used to hate these little things, these little ducks.
Oh, that's a peep.
Mm-hmm.
Peep this. Let me hold that back. I don't think I want Mr. Quackers. How you here? He's great.
That's great. Mm-hmm. Okay, my honest review on the Crunch a Bunch of Candy. I give y'all a 8. I like them. I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite kind. Lemon heads. You got the nerds. What other ones that I had? Oh, and these goddamn watermelon.
Right there.
These 3 right here, these are 10. I get these right around here like a 8 or about a 7, 8. So Crunch a Bunch of Candy. I'm going to tag them in the comments. Make sure y'all go over there, y'all do a review, and let me know how y'all feel. And tag me in the post. Tag me in the video. I'm out.